Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm just applying lip oil, and then I'm going to go right into applying my concealer from Maybelline Fit Me. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my lids, and then I'm going to go right into setting it with my Mercier setting powder. Because this is an everyday look, I'm going to be using just like a very light burnt orange color. It's gonna be really light. I'm just doing that because I don't want my eyelids to look completely bare. You don't have to do this. You could if you want to. This is just my choice, and I'm gonna be using a random palette that I've had for like forever. I just really like the colors on it, so okay, so I'm gonna be using this eyebrow gel from NYX. I don't know if you guys know this name, but I'm just gonna use this as like a mascara, just like I guess a clear one, because I'm not really the one to use mascara. Okay, now that I have applied my lashes, I am now going to be going in with applying my primer from NYX. Can't Stop, Won't Stop, my favorite primer. I'm just going to be applying this all over my face, just like my T-zone area. And then I am going to be going in with my first base spray as well. For this video, I am going to be using a drugstore foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just going to be using this for the video because this is like an everyday makeup look. So this would be the kind of foundation I would use. I wouldn't want something too heavy, but rather light. As you can see, I'm basically just blending this all over my face. And then I am going to go into my concealer. I'm going to be using two concealers. One is from NYX and the other is from Maybelline Fit Me in the color Honey, in the shade Honey. So for some of the products that I'm not able to list, I will list everything that I use for my face in the description box below. So if anybody is interested in getting the products that I did use, it will be listed below. So don't worry about that. Now, right after I finish highlighting, I am going to go into contour, and I am going to be using another NYX palette. I feel like I'm using a lot of like NYX products. NYX and Maybelline, they should really like sponsor me. But anyways, yeah, I'm just going to be highlighting my cheekbones and my nose to give that illusion of like a slimmer face. I'm going to be going in with my Mercier setting powder, and I'm just going to set my whole face, especially the areas that I did highlight. Usually when I do set my face, I do like to make it seem as though I am blending in the powder. For me, this just gives me like a smoother consistency on my face, and it just makes my makeup look a lot better. Now I'm going to be using this City bronzer from Maybelline, and I'm going to be using it as like a contour. I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose. Basically the areas that I did contour. I'm just going to be using this contour powder to set it. I'm so sorry that I'm sniffing a lot. I have a really very bad cold. So right now I'm just gonna set my face because whenever I do that, it just blends everything together. And then right after that, I'm gonna be going in with my blush from MAC. I love this blush. I don't know, I just really love it. It's in the color Raisin. Honestly, I don't even know if they still even have it, because this is a blush that I've had for mad long. Like, I have so many other blushes, but for some reason I just won't stop using it. So yeah. And then I'm gonna be going in with some highlighter that I'm just gonna be putting on my brow bones, and then I'm just gonna apply this on my nose and my cheek area. So as you can see, I'm using my beauty blender to blend in the setting spray that I just applied on my face. This is something I always like to do because it just gives me a smooth finish, and I always love a smooth look, okay? And then I'm going to be going in with this crayon, this eyeliner crayon that I'm going to be applying into my waterline. Yes, that's what it's called. Yeah, my waterline. Yeah, and I'm going to top it up with mascara. And I think this is basically it. Like, the video is basically coming to an end. No, it's not. I lied. I'm just going to be applying mascara. And then I am going to go into applying lip liner. When it comes to lip liner, I usually use my I like to use my eyeshadow like a dark color. So I'd either use like a dark brown as my lip liner, because it just gives me the look that I'm looking for. I don't know, that nude combo, it's just fire. So I like to use it because I wasn't able to find like the right lip pencil that at least satisfied my own needs. As you guys can see, it just look at this beautiful brown color. Like, come on. So I'm just gonna go in with my matte lip cream from NYX, and I'm just gonna, like, you know, apply this in the middle, blend it out, and then go in with some lip gloss. Just top it up. Okay, so guys, this video is finally coming to an end. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys so much for your unending support. I'm very grateful. So yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video.